Now the opener goes like this. A couple big patches of clouds covering New England, stretching into eastern Canada, stretching through New York and Pennsylvania, stretching down to Virginia, North Carolina, stretching through Indiana, and stretching down to northern Missouri, and into eastern Kansas and Nebraska, down to Iowa, down to northern Arkansas, to northern Oklahoma. Stretching through Texas, and a couple of patches of clouds, South Dakota, stretching through Wyoming, through southern Montana, through Idaho, into western Oregon. There. And Hurricane Henriette now. A tropical storm Henriette, wind speed 70 miles per hour at 85 miles per hour, wind gust pressure 995 millibars. Its movement 12 miles per hour at 250 degrees. And check a look at the Atlantic. No storms brewing in the Atlantic here. We are under a flash flood watch in effect until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Flash flood watch include portions of eastern and southeastern Massachusetts as well as all of Rhode Island until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Widespread rain with embedded heavier showers and thunderstorms will impact the region and into night. Flash flood will be a distinct possibility as some of the storms and showers may produce 1 hour rainfall in excess of 1 inch. Storm total rainfall amounts will average between 1 and 3 inches with localized amounts up to 4 inches, and areas prone to quickly rising water such as urban and poor drainage areas as well as fast rising small streams may be vulnerable to flash flooding in these areas this afternoon and evening, especially bands of heavy rainfall set up in these areas. Flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to a flash flood, and flash flood is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor the later forecast and be prepared to take action should a flash flood warnings occur. Flood advisory at 11:54 a.m. Doppler radar indicated areas of heavy rain that will cause minor flooding in advisory areas, which includes much of northern Rhode Island and eastern Massachusetts. 1 to 1.5 inches of rain all the way to fall. An additional 1 to 1.5 inches are likely for 3 p.m. This will cause rises on small streams and will cause pounding on roadways, especially in urban areas of flash flood, and watch remains in effect in these areas. Some local locations that will experience minor flooding include Boston, Providence, Brockton, Quincy, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Plymouth, Taunton, Weymouth, East Providence, Woonsocket, Braintree, Cumberland, Randolph, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick, Johnstown, North Attleboro, Norwood, Milton, Stoughton, Bridgewater, North Kingstown, Bristol, Attleboro, Dedham, and Walpole. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause ponding and water in urban areas, highways and streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas. And low-lying spots do not attempt to travel area across flooded roads. Find alternative routes. It takes only a few inches of swiftly flowing water to carry vehicles away.
Hour 24 of deliberations here at the Fed.
At 11, a special web statement. At 11:30 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar was tracking an area of heavy rain over southeast Massachusetts, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Rainfall rates of up to 1 inch per hour can be expected across southern suburbs of Boston as far south as Plymouth at 12:30 p.m. Travelers on routes 3 and 24 will encounter poor visibility and pond under water. Locations expected to include Brockton, Quincy, Weymouth, Plymouth, Braintree, Hull, Holbrook, Middleborough, and Bridgewater. Precautionary preparedness actions: do not drive flooded roads. Day 1 today tonight, a few locally heavy downpours could produce flooding in urban and poor drainage areas, and some thunderstorms could produce some strong wind gusts. There'll be a low probability of a damaging wind gust from any thunderstorms with a very low probability of a storms producing a brief tornado spin off. Days 2 to 7, Saturday for Thursday. No hazard weather expected at this time. So, forecast goes like this. For today, we are going to have...
Antonio, police saying exactly how this all started? Well, actually, police aren't saying much about this crash. We still have yet to...
Showers and thunderstorms.
But what I can tell you is that the minute...
Showers and possibly a thunderstorm. Some storms produce heavy rain. High near 80 degrees, south wind about 14 miles per hour, wind gusts as high as 29 miles per hour. Transportation 100%. No rainfall amounts between 1/2 and 3/4 inch possible. For tonight, showers possibly a thunderstorm before midnight, then a chance of showers and thunderstorms mainly between 9 and 2 a.m. Some storms produce heavy rain, patchy fog, lower than 6 degrees, southwest wind about 6-11 miles per hour. Transportation 80%. No rainfall amounts between 1/4 and 1/2 inch possible. For Saturday, most of the skies high near 88 degrees. Northwest wind about 7 to 9 miles per hour. Saturday night, most clear skies lower than 54 degrees. West wind about 3 to 6 miles per hour. For Sunday, patchy fog before 7 a.m. of us. Sunny skies at high near 83 degrees. Light available wind coming southwest about 5 to 8 miles per hour in the morning. Sunday night, patchy fog after 4 a.m. otherwise, patchy skies low on 58 degrees. Monday, patchy fog before 8 a.m. otherwise, most of the skies high near 83 degrees. Monday night, patchy fog after 3 a.m. otherwise, patchy skies low on 62 degrees. Tuesday, chance of showers, patchy fog after and before 9 a.m. otherwise, most skies low high near 80 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday night at chance of showers, most skies will low on 61 degrees. Chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday, most of the skies under 38 degrees. Wednesday night, podcast skies low on 57 degrees. And Thursday, most of the skies under 37 degrees. Peter's weather phrase of the day: a showery and a stormy afternoon on tap. This is PJ. What's up? You have a good day with a good positive attitude.
The severity of those injuries